Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has once again stirred the political waters with a high-profile meeting at his Wamunyoro residence. This time, he hosted a delegation from KIRINYAGA County, led by Senator James Morango and Women Representative Njeri Maina. Taking to social media, Gachagua shared insights from the discussions, stating, "We discussed the local sentiment across KIRINYAGA County and the expectations people there have on the current happenings." He further noted that the leaders provided their proposals on the political direction they believe should be taken moving forward. This meeting is just one in a series of strategic consultations Gachagua has been holding with various political players. With mounting speculation about his next move, he has promised a major announcement regarding his political future in the coming days. According to him, his first priority will be addressing his supporters from the Mount Kenya region before elaborating on the broader alliances he is forging with leaders from other parts of the country. Gachagua's political maneuvering has drawn sharp attention from allies of President William Ruto in Parliament, the same group that orchestrated his impeachment. As the 2027 elections approach, Ruto's camp is watching his every move closely, aware of the potential shakeups he could bring to the political landscape. Despite the mounting tensions, Gachagua remains unwavering. He has made it clear that the consultations at Wamunyoro will continue, signaling that his influence in national politics is far from over. His next steps could redefine the balance of power, especially in Mount Kenya, a region that has historically played a decisive role in Kenyan politics. The big question now remains: will Gachagua go all the way and form his own political party, or will he align with an existing opposition force? The coming days will reveal whether his strategy will elevate him into a formidable political force or further deepen the rift within Kenya Kwanza. One thing is certain: Kenya's political scene is set for more drama.